Tapos, no, don't press it. Diba?
Sabi mo, you press it.
No, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. And then, what? We have a... so we sleep, and then I went to Sardas with Asef. Tapos, today... Ano?
You went to Green Hills.
We went to shopping. Unimart in Green Hills.
Yeah. Before that, he had a conversation with Kuya M about Philippine matters, maybe. 10 minutes. Yeah. And then we went to Green Hills and bought ano to? Corned beef?
Yeah.
Corned beef?
Michelin. Canned goods.
Canned goods.
To be ano.
Tapos ano?
To bring to.
Ano?
Suka.
No. For the
Softener.
Softener?
Yeah.
Softener. But I smell it, but it's a very strong smell. I don't know why.
No.
And then Tito Mando gave me a Häagen-Dazs, 2 Häagen-Dazs.
Oh, Häagen-Dazs.
Yeah.
That's why it's so expensive. It's Häagen-Dazs. That's great.
Tapos see. Oh, so.
And
Oh, ganyan.
Akala ko mura lang yung parwas. Mahal ang Häagen-Dazs. Expensive ba?
Yeah.
Häagen-Dazs is the most expensive ice cream in the world.
Yes. And then we bought the Krispy Kreme. The very good taste in Manila.
This one. Krispy
Oh, this
Kreme.
is ganyan. Wala na.
Ubus na.
Oh, masarap daw.
Masarap daw.
Okay, and then Diogoro came here. Diogoro is working for Hamada Boilers movie galleries now. To try to see from backside. He can already making a program like this. Yes. So he's already creative person in CCSPI. Okay. Anyway, today is August 20, Wednesday, 2008, and he will go back to
Jakarta. His hometown.
How many years you stay in Jakarta already?
17 years.
17 years.
More than that.
Almost
Bahasa pera-pera na.
Bahasa Indonesia.
18
Yeah. Okay. So today is rainy day. I hope everybody enjoy the sleep in the room and
everybody can go home.
yes. And I hope there is no mosquito in this area, but many mosquito anyway.
You can go up early because of the...
Because of everybody now will go home because it's rainy. Ano ba, may storm. Big storm is coming today. That's why no more schools today.
Don't sing a number 3.
All children went home already.
Ganon.
And this is Roel. Roel.
Did you eat the Krispy Kreme? Okay.
Yes.
Sige na. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.